Click on the link below to get price. The Kebiko 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable blend of power, convenience, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts alike. Right off the bat, the 1000W motor provides robust performance, allowing riders to reach speeds exceeding 30 miles per hour. This impressive acceleration is complemented by a 48V 20AH removable battery, which ensures that the bike can cover up to 80 miles on a single charge under optimal conditions. This range is a game-changer for those who need a reliable transport option for longer trips without worrying about battery life. One of the standout features of the Kebiko bike is its folding design. It folds down compactly, making it easy to store in small apartments or transport in vehicles. The sturdy aluminum frame feels durable and can support a substantial weight limit, making it suitable for a wide range of riders. Additionally, the bike's lightweight nature enhances portability, making it a breeze to carry when needed. The bike is equipped with a responsive suspension system that absorbs bumps efficiently, providing a smooth ride even on uneven terrain. The front and rear disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power, which is crucial for safety, especially when riding at higher speeds. The LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility during nighttime rides, adding another layer of safety. However, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. The bike's weight, while manageable for most, might be a bit heavy for some riders when folded. Additionally, assembly can be slightly challenging, requiring some mechanical know-how. Overall, the Kebiko 1000W folding electric bike is a fantastic investment for anyone seeking an efficient and powerful e-bike that does not sacrifice portability. With its impressive performance, long range, and practical features, it is well suited for various riding needs, whether it's daily commuting or weekend excursions.